Good evening, everyone. Tonight is the night that changes everything. Tonight is not just another moment in time, it is a defining moment, one that holds the potential to reshape everything that follows. Moments like this come rarely, but when they do, they demand our full attention and commitment. This night is more than an event, it is a turning point, a chance to rewrite the narrative and lay the foundation for something extraordinary. At its core, a defining moment is about choice, the decision to step forward, to embrace the possibilities, and to take action despite the unknown. It is the realization that the future is not something that simply happens to us, it is something we shape with our own hands. This night holds the power to become that pivotal point where the trajectory of our lives, our work, and our shared purpose changes forever. What makes tonight so significant is the convergence of opportunity and determination. The circumstances have aligned in such a way that we are presented with a rare chance to make a real impact. But opportunity alone is not enough. It is our response to this moment that will determine its ultimate meaning. It is in how we rise to the occasion, how we channel our energy and focus, and how we refuse to let fear or hesitation hold us back. This night is also about setting the tone for the future. The actions we take now will reverberate far beyond this moment. Like a stone cast into a still pond, the ripples of what we do tonight will reach distant shores, influencing outcomes and shaping possibilities we may not yet be able to see. This is the kind of moment that future generations will look back on and recognize as the catalyst for change. More importantly, this moment challenges us to look inward. It asks us to examine what truly matters, to align ourselves with our values and vision, and to commit wholeheartedly to the journey ahead. Defining moments like this remind us that greatness is not a matter of chance but of choice and action. Tonight, we have the privilege and the responsibility to define what comes next. It is a call to rise, to dream, and to act with purpose. And it all begins here in this defining moment. Tonight is a testament to the power of unity and collective action. It is a reminder that no meaningful change happens in isolation and that the strength of many working together can achieve what would be impossible alone. This moment calls us to acknowledge the undeniable truth that our shared effort is the foundation of progress. When individuals unite around a common purpose, barriers are broken and new possibilities emerge. Unity does not mean sameness. It celebrates the diversity of perspectives, skills, and ideas that each person brings to the table. Tonight, as we come together, we are reminded that our differences are not obstacles but strengths. It is through the combination of unique voices and varied talents that we find solutions to complex challenges and forge new paths forward. Collaboration allows us to achieve more than the sum of our parts, creating a synergy that amplifies our collective impact. Moments like this highlight the importance of connection. They remind us of the profound human need to belong to something larger than ourselves. When we join forces, we tap into a shared energy that fuels our ambition and sustains our efforts. The bonds we create in these moments are not just practical, they are deeply personal. They are rooted in trust, shared experiences, and a mutual commitment to a brighter future. But unity is not always easy. It requires effort, patience, and a willingness to compromise. It asks us to look beyond our individual needs and embrace a collective vision. There may be moments of disagreement or uncertainty, but true unity is built on resilience and the shared belief that together we can overcome any challenge. Tonight is an opportunity to reaffirm that belief and to demonstrate what can be accomplished when we stand as one. As we come together tonight, let us recognize the incredible potential of our collective power. Each voice, each action, and each contribution matters. By aligning our efforts and focusing on our shared goals, we can create momentum that carries us forward and inspires others to join us. This night is not just about what we do as individuals, but about what we accomplish together. It is a celebration of unity, a showcase of what is possible when we come together as one. Courage and vision are the heart of tonight's significance. It takes courage to stand at the edge of the unknown and choose to move forward, to believe in a future that has yet to take shape. It takes vision to see beyond the immediate, to imagine what could be, and to chart a path toward it. Tonight is about embracing both the courage to act and the vision to dream boldly. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the resolve to move ahead despite it. In moments like this, fear is natural. There is fear of failure, fear of the unfamiliar, and even fear of the enormity of what lies ahead. But courage asks us to trust in our strength and in the strength of those around us. It reminds us that every great achievement in history began with a leap of faith, with someone daring to believe that the impossible could become possible. Tonight is our moment to make that leap, to stand firm in our resolve and take the first steps toward a brighter tomorrow. Vision is what transforms courage into purposeful action. It is the ability to see beyond current limitations, to imagine possibilities where others see obstacles. Vision demands creativity, imagination, and an unwavering belief in progress. It asks us to picture a world that aligns with our deepest aspirations and to work tirelessly to make it a reality. Vision provides the clarity that guides our courage and ensures that our efforts are directed toward meaningful and lasting change. But courage and vision are not just abstract ideals, they are lived experiences. Courage is found in every small step taken despite doubt, and vision is present in every moment spent dreaming of a better way forward. Tonight, these qualities become the driving force behind everything we do. They challenge us to rise above complacency, to reject the status quo, and to strive for something extraordinary. This night also calls us to embody courage and vision collectively. It is not enough for one person to dream or one person to act. True transformation happens when we come together with a shared sense of purpose. Each of us brings our own fears and hopes, but united by a common vision, we find strength in each other. Our collective courage becomes unstoppable, and our shared vision becomes the foundation of a new reality. Tonight is a testament to the courage within us and the vision that inspires us. It is a chance to step into our potential, to embrace the unknown, and to shape the future with intention and hope. Tonight symbolizes transformation and hope, a moment when the course of our journey changes and a new chapter begins. Transformation is not a single act, it is a process, an ongoing evolution driven by intention and effort. Hope fuels this process, providing the belief that change is not only possible but within our reach. Together, these forces create the momentum needed to move us from where we are to where we aspire to be. Transformation starts with the willingness to let go of what no longer serves us. It asks us to challenge old habits, outdated beliefs, and the comfort of the familiar. It requires us to embrace growth, even when it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. Tonight, we are called to do just that, to shed the limitations of the past and step boldly into a future full of potential. Transformation is not about denying where we have been, it is about using those experiences as a foundation to build something greater. Hope is the spark that ignites transformation. It is the quiet strength that whispers, "Keep going," in moments of doubt. Hope is not naive, it is resilient. It persists even in the face of setbacks and uncertainty. Hope fuels our actions, reminding us that every effort, no matter how small, contributes to a larger vision. Tonight, hope reminds us that the challenges we face are not insurmountable and that the possibilities before us are endless. This night is not just about imagining change, but about embodying it. Transformation is found in the actions we take, the decisions we make, and the way we choose to show up. It is in the conversations we have, the risks we take, and the commitments we honor. Tonight is a moment to embrace the transformative power within us and to channel it towards something meaningful and enduring. Hope also connects us. It bridges divides, unites us in purpose, and inspires collective action. When we share our hopes with one another, we create a sense of belonging and possibility that transcends individual limits. Tonight is an opportunity to nurture that connection, to draw strength from our shared dreams, and to move forward together with purpose and determination. The transformation we seek begins with us here and now. This night holds the promise of what can be, driven by the belief that change is not only necessary but inevitable when fueled by hope. It is a chance to reimagine what is possible and to take the first steps toward creating a reality that reflects our highest aspirations. Tonight is more than a moment, it is the beginning of a new journey. It is a reminder of our collective strength, our shared vision, and the courage we hold within. This night has challenged us to dream boldly, act with purpose, and believe in the power of transformation. As we move forward, let us carry the hope and determination ignited here, knowing that our actions tonight will shape the future. Together, we have the power to create change, to redefine what is possible, and to inspire generations to come. Tonight truly is the night that changes everything.